Are you managing your website's tag with Google Tag Manager and need to add users or give them access? Well, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to add user to GTM so that they can help you manage tags, collaborate on tracking or analyze performance. So let's get started. So we are on my screen and today I will show you step by step how to add a user to Google Tag Manager. So there must be certain cases where you want someone to add to your Google Tag Manager for the access so that they can make changes, they can implement tracking, and then they can review your Google Tag Manager. So to do that, I'll show you how you can grant them access and the right permissions. So first of all, log in your Tag Manager account. So make sure you have the right Tag Manager account logged in. You can find the options workspace, version and admin. So click on the admin options on the top line. Once you find the admin options, there you need to click on user management under account. Once you click on user management, it will give you an options to add a user to your Google Tag Manager account. So click on add user. Once you click on add user, there you can add their email address for the access. So which access you want to grant that user? So it can be admin, but most of the time user access would be sufficient for someone, because admin is the high level of account permissions. So just check the right permission which you want to grant to a user. There you can find container permissions. Once you grant the account permissions, you will have to provide the container permissions too. So on container permissions, click on that. There you can provide the access. So if someone is going to make the changes on your account, someone is going to implement the tracking codes on Google Tag Manager, then I would suggest to give all these access, because he need edit access, he would need read access, he would need approve access and publish also, to publish all those tags. Once you do that, then click on done and click on invite send. Once you do that, a user will be added to a Google Tag Manager. Now he can review your tags, he can make the changes and he can implement the tracking. And that's how you can add users and assign access levels in Google Tag Manager. If this video helped you simplify the access process, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.